Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Malapa Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Papa Brother Mawalu Puro. Uskirilo. Yeah. Upuma Pezule Backfield. We are one Pirate. The Best team. It's the best team. Man, best team. Pirate. Is the best ball. The best fans. Angali. Angena next. Siyacela laba basokwa kwenye ama team baye kuzojoina baqeda matches masowathenga. Yes. Bese uma bafika sebephethe kwa matches Pirate bese bayalo. Asili ku Pirate ku team e Pirate. Asili kuma fans. Asili ku technical team. Asili ndawo. Sidlala ibhola. Urefu mayijajile thina. Siya relax. Sibizana sidlala ibhola. Because Pirate is a big team. Hambolala baba. Hambolala. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?